Everyone, today is the starting of my 4-day weekend. So it's a Thanksgiving weekend, and we are on the way to walk in one of the trail close by so that we can exercise before we eat too much. And Lawrence is flying his drone. If you guys are new to this channel, this is Lawrence and Chrysanta. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And thank you for watching.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain it. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. I'll hold it gently in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid shot straight into.
So I and Newbie walked for 3 miles, and Lawrence stayed in the parking lot and fly his drone. And then when we got home, Lawrence cleaned all Newbie's toy, and look what he did. Fix your toys. Now look, it's everywhere again. Why do you do that? Do you want me to get rid of all your toys? Huh? Mr. Newbie? I'm tired of cleaning up after you. Yeah, keep ignoring me, Newbie. Tomorrow I'm gonna get rid of all your toys. I'll put them in the trash can. Yes, you. Yes, you, mister. Look at me. Is that your favorite toy? I didn't use my main oven because, I put all kinds of storage there. So I have this turkey portable oven. So I marinated the turkey the night before so it will taste better, and I usually start 350 temperature. So let's check, and it's almost cooked. I just need to make that turkey brown, so I put the temperature up to 400. So I made a simple mashed potatoes, stuffing, egg rolls, and the turkey and asparagus. So after we ate turkey, now my husband is sleeping and my dog sleeping too. They're both tired. I guess when you eat turkey, they said that there's something in it to make you sleepy. So there you go. That's the result of the turkey. So this view is when we went to Nevada, Laughlin, Nevada. And I just want to include these videos to this content because it's really short, and I just don't want to create another video for this. And I hope you guys enjoy the view.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love. Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know feels like love. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know feels like love. This love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. I'll hold it gently in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know feels like love. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you?
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And have a nice day, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and share. Bye.